Learn English with Jennifer. Lesson 1. Greetings. Natasha is from Russia. Natasha wants to learn English. Jennifer teaches English. Jennifer teaches Natasha. Learn English with Jennifer and Natasha. Hello, Natasha.
Hello, Jennifer.
Okay. How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Fine, thanks. Fine, thank you.
Fine, thank you. How are you?
Good. Good, thank you. We just said
Hello.
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 And you said hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
How? Listen. How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
How are you? No.
Listen. How are you?
How are you?
You.
How are you?
Listen. Listen and repeat. How.
How?
How.
How?
How.
How?
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Hello, Natasha. How are you?
Hello, Jennifer. How are you?
Good.
How are
Hello. Hello. How are you? Okay. You
How
can
are
say
you? Fine. Thanks. Thanks.
fine, thanks.
Fine. Thanks.
Fine, thanks.
Fine. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks.
Oh, can I ask you to move a little that way? How are Listen. Listen and repeat. Hello.
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 How are you?
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Fine. Thanks. Fine. Thanks. How are you?
Good. How are you? So when I ask, I'm first. I say, how are you? You are second, and you say, how are you?
Yes.
So listen. Listen.
Mhm.
Hello. Hello. How are you? Fine, thanks. How are you? Do you hear the difference?
Yes.
How are you? How are you?
Yes.
This is me, Jennifer. This is you, Natasha.
Okay.
Ready? Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine. Thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Hello. Fine. Thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Another.
Listen
Good.
and repeat. Good.
Good.
Not good. That's Russian.
Yeah.
Good.
Good.
Good. Let's not say that. Listen. Good.
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 Good, thank you.
Good. Thank you. Good.
Listen. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good, good, good.
Good. Good.
Good, thank you.
Good. Thank you.
So with good, relax. Good.
Good.
With thank you, watch your tongue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good,
Good.
thank you.
Good. Thank you.
Listen. Good, thank you.
Good. Good. Thank you. Good. Good. Thank you.
All right, let's try again.
Okay.
Hello, Natasha.
Hello, Jennifer.
How are you?
Fine. Thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good, thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you.